Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for the class 5 children, subject maths, chapter number 1, numbers. Before starting the chapter, let us recall some important facts we have learned in previous classes, that is in class 3 and class 4. Through this warm-up exercise. Question number 1. Choose the answers from the box and fill in the blanks. Here some sentences are given and with a blank space at the end of each sentence. So we have to read each of these sentences and we should select or choose the correct answer given in this box and fill in these blanks. Come on, let us do it. A. The smallest 5-digit number that can be formed using the digits 0, 1 and 2 is 10,002. So 10,002 is found here, and also we see here the letter R is printed within brackets. Let us retain this letter also with the number as it is. Coming to B, 1 less than 12,211 is 12,210. 12,210 is here and the letter A is given within brackets. Let us retain that as it is here. C. The next even number after 12,000 is. The next even number after 12,000 is 12,002. 12,002 is found here. Letter M within brackets is also retained as it is. We will understand at the end of this question why these letters are given along with these numbers. So coming to question D here, the standard form of 10,000 plus 100 plus 2 is 10,102. 10,102 is here and the letter A is given here. Let us write that A within brackets as it is. Coming to the question E, the smallest 6-digit number divisible by 2 is. The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh, that is 1 followed by 5 zeros. So 1 lakh is found here and N is printed within brackets. Let us retain that as it is. F. The standard form of 20,000 plus 1,000 is 21,000. 21,000 is found here. Letter U is given there. Let us retain that as it is. The greatest 5-digit number that can be formed using 0, 1 and 2 is 22,210 is the greatest 5-digit number that can be formed using the digits 0, 1 and 2. So 22,210 is given here. Letter J is printed here within brackets. We will retain that as it is. Moving to the next question, H. Using 0 and 1, the smallest 5-digit number that remains the same when read forward or backward is 10,001. So if you read it forward or backward, it will be 10,001. So 10,001 is printed here, and the letter A is within brackets. We will write that letter as it is. Coming to I. 21 more than 12,000 is 12,021. 12,021 is printed here with letter N within brackets. We have retained that as it is. Now arrange these letters in the blanks below to get the name of a famous Indian mathematician. So now what we should do is, we should now write these letters which we have written within brackets at the end of each sentence. Now we will write down these letters in the blanks given here according to the question number or question letter printed here. So A, the alphabet in the sentence A is R. We will write R here. And then for B, the letter we have is A. We have written A here. And for C we have Yum. Let us write Yum here. And similarly, if you observe the letter at the end of each of the sentence, and if you go on filling these blanks, and let us see what we get after filling these according to the question alphabet. So we get R A M A N U J A N. It is Ramanujan. I hope you heard the name Ramanujan. His full name is Srinivasa Ramanujan. Let us see who he is. So Srinivasa Ramanujan was an Indian mathematician. He made substantial contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions, including solutions to mathematical problems then considered unsolvable. So Srinivasa Ramanujan was a renowned Indian mathematician, or he was a famous Indian mathematician. So his work has been described here briefly. So, and let us know some more things about his biodata. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 at Erode, a town in Tamil Nadu, and died on 26th April 1920 at Kumbakonam in Tamil Nadu. So his wife's name was Janaki Ammal, and the names of his parents were K. Srinivasa Iyengar, and mother's name was Komalata Mal. This is about the famous mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. Now let us move to the question number 2. Using the number 3,41,062, answer the following questions. So looking at this number, we should answer the questions given below. A. Write the number name for this number in the Indian as well as in the international system of numeration. So Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration are the two types of numeration we use while representing the numbers, especially the large numbers. We will understand more about the Indian system and international system of numeration in this chapter also ahead. So now let us answer this question. So writing the number name of this number in Indian system is 3,41,062, and in international system the same number is named or called as 341,062. So it is in international system it is called as 341,062. You have learned about the Indian system and international system of numeration in your previous classes. Recall and you should write the number names of such large numbers. Now let us move on to question B here. What is the place value of 4 in this number? In this number means in the number given above here. So let us answer this. The place value of 4 in the given number is 40,000. Look at the position of the 4 here. 2 is in 1's place, 6 is in 10's place, 0 is in 100's place, 1 is in 1000's place, and 4 is in 10,000's place. Therefore, the place value of 4 in the given number is 40,000. Coming to question C, interchange the digits 3 and 6, 4 and 2. What is the new number formed? Is it greater than 3,41,062? So first let us interchange the digits as per this question. We will interchange 3 and 6 and 4 and 2. Let us do that. The new number formed after interchanging is 6,21,034. For this question, is it greater than 3,41,062? Of course, it is. Yes, it is greater than. That is 6,21,064 is greater than 3,41,062. So I hope you understood the answers for these questions. Now let us move to question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A. Write the Roman numeral for 10. The Roman numeral for 10 is X. B. What is the Hindu Arabic numeral for XXVIII? So x represents 10, 2x represents 20, and v represents 5. So I represents 1. So since I is towards right, we will add 1 to 5, it becomes 6, and again I will add, it becomes 7, and there is one more I, it becomes 8. So this represents 28. The Hindu Arabic numeral for XXVIII is 28. What is 3412 rounded off to the nearest hundred? So if this number is rounded off to the nearest hundred, we get 3400, because this 12 is less than 50, therefore we will round it off to 3400. Coming to D, round off 892 to the nearest 10. If you round off this to nearest 10, it will be 890. Since 2 is less than 5, it will be rounded to 890. So with this we have answered the questions under warm-up exercise. I hope you enjoyed this video and recalled the things you have learned in previous classes. Thank you for watching this video. Bye children.